Yes, students, we are going to have the revision of all the topics quickly from these sentences. So you must note your answers in your notebook after reading the sentences. The first slide have 4 sentences. Quickly read the sentences and note down the answer. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Read the answers and note the answers in your notebook. Then you will raise hands and answer one by one. Yes, beta, done. Raise your hands. Yes, Lavanya, beta, start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
first question is the Mughals has won the Battle of Panipat that take place in 1761.
Yes.
Ma'am, the correction will be A part 1 and took.
Which tense?
Ma'am, it is past tense.
Past. Which form?
Uh, Ma'am, simple past.
Simple past. And what is used here? Which form of the verb is used here? Which form of verb
Uh,
is this? One and took, the correction which you have made.
Ma'am, second.
Second form of the verb. Why we use here past indefinite? Can you explain?
Ma'am, because this event has happened in the past and it has no relation with the present.
Yes, it has no relation with the present, so we can't use here present perfect. It is given with the time of the past, a historical fact. It is a fact from history. So we'll use here past indefinite. The Mughals have won. Should be, otherwise if we go for present perfect also, even then it should be have won, but we'll use here past indefinite. The Mughals won the Battle of Panipat that took place in 1761. Second sentence, Mehak Meet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the sentence is Nupur dash since morning. Ma'am, the correct option is A part. Nupur has been singing since morning. This action was starting in the past and is still continuing in the present.
Which tense you are using here then?
Ma'am,
According,
present perfect continuous.
yes, present perfect continuous. Nupur has been singing since morning because the action started in the past and is still in continuation. Why can't we use here simple continuous? What is the difference between present continuous and perfect continuous?
Ma'am, because the action was started in the past and is continuing till now. It
If it,
has relations with past. It has not ended till yet.
yes, and if it is a simple continuous, then
Nupur was singing, then since would not be there.
what is it referred through since? Since के साथ क्या refer किया हुआ है? Why we use since and for? To refer,
I mean, to refer to time.
to refer time. So you must be clear that when we are given the time phrase with since or for, that means perfect continuous tense is to be used. Moreover, we should know the meaning that action started in the past and is still in continuation. So we'll use here present perfect continuous, has been singing. Simple continuous means the action is in continuation. Nupur is singing. then it is present continuous. But we are given the time phrase which refers to past, that action started in the morning and is in still continuation. So it will take present perfect continuous. Next one, Ashish Kapoor.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and tomato is a fruit, not an vegetable. Correction would be A option. A
Yes.
tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable.
Yes, a tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. What is this that you are using? Which correction
Ma'am,
you have made? These are called as
determiners.
determiners. And what is this type of determiners? ये कौन सी form है determiners में? A and the. What is it? These are called. In determiners, we have different forms of the types. What is it? A and the. क्या है ये? These are called as. Yes, Ashish. What we call these? No. These are called Isha Sharma. Yes, beta. Isha.
No.
These are called as A and the. क्या हैं ये बेटा? ग्रामर में हम इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Yes.
Articles.
These are articles. Yes. This is one form of the determiners. We covered it under the topic determiners. These are articles. Clear? And they refer to single article. A tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. There is no vowel sound in these, so will not use an. No particular thing, so the is also not used. Both the nouns will take a. Next, sentence number 4. Yes, please come forward, raise your hands. Yes, Khushdeep.
Yes, ma'am. They are short of money, you know. The correct option is B.
They are short of money, you know. That means we'll remove article the,
Yes, ma'am.
because nothing is particular. Particular money के बारे में, कुछ special money के बारे में नहीं बताया गया. It is in general common noun taken. Okay. So all of you please check your answers. With the red, the answers are given to you in the next slide. All of you please check if you have written in your notebook. Clear? Yes, coming to the next slide. Again, take 30 minutes to read the sentences and note down the answers in your notebook. Yes, Pranay Chadda. Pranay Chadda, start with sentence number 5.
I was given a memento by my boss.
Yes.
I was being it would be I was being given a memento by my boss.
I was being given.
Being
Beta
given.
options देखो. Which option you are taking here?
B.
E option. That means was भी लगेगा और been भी लगेगा. फिर third form. Which tense it will be? Was के साथ हम been किस tense में लगाते हैं? कोई tense है जिसमें been use होता है was के साथ? Can you mention the tense?
No, ma'am.
Then it is wrong. If you are not able to give the name of the tense, then it is wrong. We never use been with was. Been use होता है has, have, had के साथ perfect tenses में. was के साथ कभी भी been नहीं use होता. That is being, B-E-I-E-N-G. But that is not given to us in the options. Find out the answer from the options given to you. Yes, next, Harjap Singh.
No correction.
No correction. Why?
I
Why
mean,
there is no
because
correction? Like, yes? Yes, beta, the sentence is correct.
yes, I mean, it is not a continuous tense, so that ma'am C part cannot be answered. And
It is not a continuous tense. Which form of sentence is this? Can you tell me?
this
I was given
it
a
is
memento by my boss. Which form of sentence is this?
past.
Yes?
In past.
पास्ट टेंस तो है, लेकिन फॉर्म क्या है सेंटेंस की? पास्ट में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वॉज गिवन तो नहीं करते. अगर सिंपल पास्ट हो, वी यूज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. In simple past we use second form. Which form of sentence is this that here second form is not used, but it is past
And
tense?
third form is this.
थर्ड फॉर्म विद was. सेंटेंस की फॉर्म कौन सी है? बाय माई बॉस. अब सब्जेक्ट जो है हमारा पीछे गया है. डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन इज एट द एंड विद प्रपोजिशन बाय. क्या है ये? कहाँ पर आप सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज करते हो? डूअर ऑफ एक्शन कहाँ पर आप पीछे ले जाते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रपोजिशन बाय? कौन सा टॉपिक है ग्रामर का जिसमें ये सेंटेंस दिया गया? वॉइस. वेरी गुड. This is passive voice. Try to find out the sentence. It's not active sentence. It is a passive form of the sentence. That's why we are given here was, were plus third form of the verb. No doubt it is past indefinite tense, but it is not the active sentence. Active hota to yahan second form hoti. This is passive form because the subject is changed into object at the end by my boss. Doer of the action is at the end. This is passive form. Clear? You must understand the passive form also. We have not covered this topic, but you must try to understand. We'll do it afterwards.
गर्मी का महीना आ गया वापस, पता लगदा पिया क्या है जून.
Harjap beta, please mute yourself. Next, Gunesh. Gunesh, beta, please keep yourself mute if you are not answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gunesh. Still there is disturbance. Still there is disturbance.
Ma'am, it's Jakteshwar.
Jakteshwar, beta, please mute yourself. Yes, Gunesh, beta. Read the next sentence.
Ma'am, 6th. I will come home what I finished work. Correction is I will come home when I finish his work.
I finishes. Which option you are taking?
Ma'am, C.
C में तो finishes नहीं है. आप finishes पढ़ रहे हो. Yes लगा रहे हो.
When I finish work.
I will come home when I finish work. Clear? This is according to the first pattern. Conditional sentences. Present plus future. When की जगह हम if लगाकर भी sentence को पढ़ सकते हैं. That will also give you same meaning. Clear? Next. Devishi. Yes, Devishi beta. Next sentence number 7.
I will come tonight. I will have finished my homework by then.
Option C. Will have
C.
Finished. Which tense is this?
Finished.
Will have finished.
Future perfect.
Future perfect. Yes. Where we use future perfect? Can you explain?
When an action would be finished in future.
When the action will come to an
by a
end
particular time.
In the future at a particular time. So we are given here time, tonight. I will come tonight I will have finished my work by then. By then refers to tonight. ठीक है, कि तब तक मैं अपना काम खत्म कर चुकी होंगी. Clear? Next sentence. Sentence number 8. Sushant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. 8th question. If I get selected for the exam, I could go on a vacation. Ma'am, इसका A part आएगा. If I get selected for the exam, I would go on a vacation.
Is there any mistake in the sentence? Could को आपने would कर दिया. Even then, if there is any mistake, can you find out? How you have used would here? According to which rule? क्या रूल है आपके माइंड में कि आपने would करा यहाँ पर? According to which rule you are changing the sentence? If लगा हुआ है. Can you get the hint? If वाले sentences कौन से होते हैं? Yes, Sushant beta. Sentences with if are known as. Yes, Sushant. I think she has left. Isha Sharma, yes, beta. Isha Sharma. Isha Sharma, can you explain this sentence, beta? No. Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is a conditional sentence, second type.
Second type, and we are using in the conditional form get selected. Is it right? क्या होता है हमारे पास second type में?
Ma'am, it is simple past and then would plus third form.
Would plus first form. हमने
Sorry,
verb नहीं
first
change
form.
करा. Would को would करा है, हमने go को change नहीं करा. But in the first clause, that is conditional clause, there is word used get. It's not a past form. So this correction is to be done.
Ma'am.
It's a typing mistake here. If I got selected, that's why I asked you find out the mistake here. Clear? Past indefinite.
Yes, ma'am.
If I got selected for the exam, I would go on a vacation. This is the second pattern of the conditional sentences. Past plus would, could, should plus first form of the verb. Clear? कि अगर मैं select हुआ तो मैं vacation के लिए जाऊंगा. The second action depends upon the first action and there is a possibility of that action. Clear? Now you can check your answers. Sentence number 5, there was no correction. The sentence was correct because it was past indefinite passive form. Then according to conditional sentence number 1, C option, when and finish correct. Then 7th sentence, will have finished future perfect. And the last sentence, according to conditional sentences, pattern number 2, if I got selected, I would go on a vacation. Clear? Coming to the next slide. Read the sentences and find out the answers. Take your time. And now I want some more students to come forward to raise their hands. Those who have already answered, they would not raise hand. Yes, Drake Bajaj.
Ninth sentence, you cannot spend a lot of money on present. C option, need not. You need not spend a lot of money on presents.
Yes, you need not spend a lot of money on presents. And what should be taken care while using the models? मेन वर्ब फॉर्म जो है हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. Can we change the form of main verb in the models?
No, ma'am.
No, it is always used in the
First form.
first form of the verb. If we have to change, then what to do? If we want to give any action referred to past,
Ma'am, we will add model plus have.
yes, we will add model plus have, then third form of the verb, past participle. Only then it can be changed. Otherwise, simply with the model, always we use first form of the verb. Clear? So here the sentence will be, you need not spend a lot of money on presents. कि आपको presents के ऊपर, gifts के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मॉडल्स को ना हमेशा हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके देखा करो. Then you will be clear with the meaning कि आपको कौन सा मॉडल वर्ब उठाना है. This will be more clear if you translate the sentence into Hindi. Yes, next one, Pushkar Soni.
Yes, ma'am. Medical facilities ought to be free.
Medical facilities ought to be free. Yes, very good. Can you translate the sentence?
हिंदी में?
Yes, translate मतलब हिंदी होता है.
मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज फ्री हो सकती हैं.
हो सकती हैं. देखा, आपको मॉडल्स वर्ड के मीनिंग ही नहीं पता. ought to बेटा आप यूज कर रहे हो सकती हैं कैसे हो गया? हो सकती लगाना है, फिर तो मे होना चाहिए, पॉसिबिलिटी है, या कैन होना चाहिए. आप सेंटेंस में यूज कर रहे हो ought to and your sentence is correct, but you don't know the meaning of these modal
मेडिकल
verbs.
फैसिलिटीज फ्री होनी ही चाहिए.
होनी चाहिए, होनी चाहिए. ought to moral obligations हैं. अगर हम यहाँ पर shall लगाएं तो क्या सेंटेंस ठीक होगा? मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज shall be free.
No, ma'am.
No. If there is any announcement by some great leader or by the prime minister, then can it be correct? The prime minister announced that
Yes,
medical,
ma'am.
yes, then it will be correct. Because if we are given any condition, you have read this in the models, or in the future tense also, will or shall are interchangeable if we have any condition. और यहाँ पर condition क्या होगी? Any announcement and the determination by the prime minister कि वो free provide की जाएंगी सबको, a promise to the public, then it can be. Okay. Yes, coming to the next sentence. Still I can see the same students raising hand. Come forward, beta. Divya, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Nina would have done well. Nina would have done well in life, but he didn't believe in himself.
Nina.
Ma'am.
Yes. Nina
Would have
done, yes,
done well in life,
would have
but
done
he
कर सकती थी या कर सकता था. Would have या could have, सोच के बोलो जरा. पर नहीं किया उसने. Because he did not believe in himself. उसको अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं था. Would have होगा या could have होगा? सोच के बताओ जरा.
could have.
Yes, हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करो ना. देखो बेटा, 1 मिनट में आपको मीनिंग समझ आता है. आप हिंदी में बोलोगे, इस सेंटेंस को समझ आ रहा है ना कि नीना जिंदगी में बहुत अच्छा कर सकता था. सकता था हम कहेंगे तो वुड हैव थोड़ी होगा, कुड हैव हो जाएगा. हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट किया करो मॉडल वर्ब्स के लिए, यू विल गेट वेरी क्लियर आंसर, और बहुत इजीली आपको समझ आ जाता है कि विच ऑप्शन यू हैव टू पिक अप. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
नीना कुड हैव डन वेल इन लाइफ बट ही डिड नॉट बिलीव इन हिमसेल्फ. लेकिन उसको अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं था, इसलिए वो नहीं कर पाया. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 12. अर्चना. यस अर्चना, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा. Be quick, don't waste the time. No? Who else will do? Malvika. Malvika. Tushar Malhotra. Harleen. No one is able to unmute. बेटा ट्राई करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, गलत हो जाएगा कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई. Malvika, Kavya Kaushal. Otherwise, I am compelled to give turn to the same students again because we are having less time. Parikshit, will you do it? No, no one is ready. So let's go back to the same students. Yes, Mehak Meet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Vimal is going to a new company so that he can get a good salary. Ma'am, the right option is C. Vimal is going to a new company so that he may get a good salary.
Yes, Vimal is going to a new company so that he may get a good salary. What is it telling us about? क्या पता चलता है हमें इसके सेंटेंस में? Purpose and the possibility. Why he is going to a new company? So that से हमें पर्पस पता चल रहा है, एंड जब हम may यूज करते हैं दैट गिव्स अस पॉसिबिलिटी की संभावना है, उसको उम्मीद है कि उसको अच्छी सैलरी मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस नंबर 13. लवन्या.
Yes, ma'am. Could you please lend me your scooter?
Could you please lend me your scooter? Yes. Why you are using here could? We can have can also.
Ma'am, ma'am, could is more formal and polite.
Yes, could is more polite. Very good. We can use can also, but it is one thing, it is not given in the option. Secondly, we want to be more polite according to the options. Next, Divya.
Walk slowly lest you should fall down.
Walk slowly lest you should fall down. Yes, good. And here you must remember, when we have conjunction lest used in any sentence, this will always be followed by should. These are pair of conjunctions. Conjunctions use करते हैं ना, उसमें pairs होते हैं और वो pair इकट्ठे use होते हैं. जब भी किसी sentence में lest use होगा तो it will always be followed by should. Walk slowly lest you should fall down. Negative sentence में meaning आ रहा है कि धीरे चलो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप गिर जाओ. ठीक है. Now check your answers. Need not, ought to, could have, may, could and should. Yes, coming to the next slide. Now we are left only with 2 minutes. So be quick. Let's have the answers side by side so that we can finish this. Yes, Divya. Divya.
I don't want any coffee.
Yes, I don't want any coffee. We can't use here some because we use some for the positive sentences. For the negative and question form, interrogative sentences, we use any. Next sentence, Grig Bajaj.
Sachin is the Bradman of Indian cricket.
Yes, Sachin is
The Bradman of Indian
the
cricket.
Bradman. Bradman is a great cricketer. ठीक है. तो हम अपने प्लेयर सचिन का उसके साथ कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. Sachin is the Bradman of Indian cricket team. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. When we use shall in negative form, it is shall not. So
Yes.
we pronounce it shall. So we pronounce it shall not or shan't.
Shan't. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लेना तो शांट, अगर कंप्लीट फॉर्म देनी तो शैल नॉट. दोनों तरह से बोला जा सकता है. दैट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म, जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म कहते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म शांट, वोंट, डोंट. ठीक है.
थैंक यू मैम.
यस. नेक्स्ट पुष्कर सोनी, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस.
Yes, ma'am. Oh no, I have spent all the money I had.
Oh no, I have spent all the money I had. Here it refers to the money. That means whatever the quantity was available with you. Clear? This is again coming to the determiners. Next. Next sentence. Mehakmeet.
Could you give me dash money, please? Could you give me a little money, please?
Yes. Could you give me a little money, please? Yes. A little means some, positive. Next, sentence number 19. Ashish. Ashish Kapoor, please be quick, beta. We are left with 1 minute only.
Mahesh has sent the application to the principal.
To the principal, yes. Next sentence. Continue. Ashish, complete the